Right there.
Okay.
Hold on a second. You gotta do it like Ghostbusters. Wait. All right, going. Do it like Ghostbusters.
What's that mean?
3, 2, 1.
Do we cross the streams?
And put it above your head.
We'll put it above my head?
Yeah, because that's where Donald Trump screws.
No, but wait a minute. He's not gonna be able to do that because he's gonna have a huge inflatable thing.
You don't think so?
No, he's gonna end up having to fire it from down here. You know that because you got to twist it too.
You could have put it above the Peter's head?
Not now, dude. I would have had to make the toilet paper things.
No. I'm saying if you were on the suit right now, would you be able to put that above your head?
Not easily. Maybe.
All right. So put it wherever you want to put it. I'm ready.
You ready?
Count to 3, 2, 1. You got to do that.
1, 2, 3. That's loud. Oh, dude. That's not good. Oh. Oh, that's not good. That's a lot louder than I... Oh, he's getting arrested.
Really? For that?
Dude, it's like setting off a starter system. You know how many police... Okay, it's a political thing. Why are you recording this? I guess.
Because I'm getting professional... I'm shooting into the sun. Why am I shooting into the sun? Come on.
I don't know why you're shooting into the sun.
Come on, talk to me. I'm like Bob Norman.
Like Bob Norman. You're an asshole, Chaz. You're an asshole. And I don't drink. You're an asshole. No, I mean, the problem is that thing sounds like a starter's pistol. There's cops all over the place. This is a huge GOP event. You don't think the sound of anything that remotely is close to a gunshot is not going to cause every Secret Service guy in the neighborhood to pounce on the huge cock? That could be funny.
All right, so we won't do these. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that.
Shit. Shit. I don't know how we can fix this problem. Well, actually I do. I don't know if we have time. Okay.
I got an hour.
You have 1 hour?
Yeah.
You would have to go and find nitrous cartridges in 1 hour.
No, we're not going to do that.
I mean, you could set one off, but if he's in the freedom of speech zone, and he's holding it, maybe they won't think any.